Good afternoon guys, welcome to Oaks Group. Nice car here for this afternoon. This is a June 2018 18 registered BMW 330e M Sport Plus Shadow Edition. Done 46,500 miles, one company owner. We've got a great contract to buy all the middle management cars out of a massive filtration firm locally. They run about 30-40 cars. We buy all of them and we're delighted to do so. So this has been owned by them, non-smoking policy, 3 BMW visits, last done in June 2022 at its MOT, spark plugs replaced, major service with BMW, in black sapphire with coral red Dakota leather, stunning motor car. And we have a few of these through our books via this company. I have to say this is probably one of the biggest spec ones we've had, so get your listening ears on because this is massive spec. M Sport Plus Black Edition, Apple CarPlay, concierge service, enhanced Bluetooth, wireless charging, head-up display, media pack BMW Professional Plus, reversing camera pack, Wi-Fi hotspot, power folding mirrors, interior comfort package, model designation deletion on the rear of the car, heated front sports seats, advanced parking pack, BMW icon adaptive LED headlamps, comfort access with smart opener, and driving assistance. So a massive spec 330e here. Purpose of the video is to go around the car in detail, tell you a little bit more about it and Oaks as we go. So coming onto the front bumper apron, front and rear park sensing, LED icon, headlamps adaptive there on the front. Been on this age-related number. Obviously guys, 46,000 miles, 4 years old. Expect the odd stone chip here and there. It is after all a used car, not new car money. And it would have been a lot of money, this car brand new, I guess. But up onto the leading edge, all the headlamps clean and tidy. Front PU looks to be in good shape to me. Car presents well. Rest of the bonnet's all clean and tidy. Up onto the windscreen of the car, we've got 2 keys for it. Got a head-up display unit there. All the concierge service. Screen's clean and tidy. Roof's all as it should be. I've been around the car, guys. It looks to be original on the paint, but what a good-looking Shadow Edition that is. Up onto the front wing, electric charge port, M Sport logo badge there. Black sapphire paint, car's shod with a good set of Bridgestone protected tyres all the way round at 4 to 5 mil. All the alloys here in generally good order. I think if you look hard enough, you'll find some weathering, but it's nothing major, no serious buy to walk away from the car for it. And high performance M Sport Plus brakes, the blue calipers denoting that. That tyre is at about 4 or 5 mil. Read the reviews on these guys, I get rave reviews. Great car if you're in central London trying to avoid that ULEZ charge, and just a you know, they're worthy of all the praise that's heaped on them. They're a great motor car without question. Up onto the front wing here on the driver's side, that's all clean and tidy. That alloy is generally clean. That tyre, Bridgestone at 4 or 5 mil. Mirror housing's clean and tidy on both sides, power folding successfully. Got comfort access, a keyless go here, guys. D-chrome, which is part of the black pack, I think, or the Shadow Edition pack. But down the driver's side, clean and tidy, rear door, rear quarter, all where it needs to be. That alloy is generally good. A little bit of weathering there, guys. We're not going to get involved. Car's going to be very popular. That tyre, Potenza at 4 mil. Inside, I think this is a show-stopping interior. I love this coral red with the grey or black. I think it's such a striking combination. BMW over carpets there. We've got 2 keys for it. Got all the handbook packs. Just a big spec 330e Shadow Edition here with sensible miles. A little bit old because we've been trading since 2001, so we're over 20 years old now, guys. Based in a little village called East Folly, just outside Maidstone in Kent. Small workshops and MOT facility on site that I use to prep my cars. And read on my reviews at autotrader.co.uk, guys. I'm well regarded. I've been in the business 35 years. I've got 400 plus 5-star reviews built over a 7-year period. I look after my customers, okay? But back to this lovely 330e, round to the back of the car, LED rear, tail lights there, rear parking sensor, parking camera pack, but generally in very, very good shape. Factory privacy. Car leaves me with a 3-month dealer guarantee, guys. I also offer a 14-day money back position to match the online sellers. So if you get to day 10 and you feel that you've made a mistake, nothing wrong with the car, but you feel you made a mistake, you can bring it back to me and I will refund you your money, less some charges for usage, obviously. And don't believe we buy any car, we simply will be the best buyer of any part exchange offered to us, and we will prioritise people with part exchanges and or financing over straight cash buys here at Oakwoods. Okay, but down the passenger side, fairly clean and tidy. A couple of car parking dents there. We're not going to get involved, guys, there and there. It's minor stuff. That alloy is all as it should be. That tyre is at 4 or 5 mil. Last of the Bridgestones. But you can just see, like most management cars, back seats very little used. and absolutely in keeping with its 46,000 mile billing. Harman Kardon there, heated sports front seats, all the handbook packs there, full set of keys, in lovely condition. Here's the provenance check, guys. Tells you what it is. It tells you when it was first registered. One company owner from new, June 2018. No outstanding consumer finance, no accident history. That's the last MOT. I'll go through the 3 services on the monitor with you shortly. Passed with no advisories. I've driven the car. Car drives lovely. Silent on electric, obviously. Some marking there, guys, to the trim pack you need to be alive to. Power folding mirrors, but that's probably the only mark on the car really worth mentioning. So let's get up onto this service history. So there's the service history, guys. 4 services with BMW. The last one was major. Whoops. The last one was a major service. So everything was done, and there's nothing required. There's no service requirements for a long period of time. Okay. All the nav works. Rear parking camera pack, that works. Dual zone climate, heated seats. We've got all the charge cable for it. But you can just see in lovely condition. Mileage 46,282 today, guys, yeah? So there we go. Guys, I get there's a few 330M Sport Shadow Editions in the marketplace, and I understand price is important, but just as important, I think, is what you buy. And this is one of the biggest spec ones in the marketplace, and where you buy it from. We're a well-regarded independent specialist of long history, and that's important because it's fun buying used cars, but you need to know that the dealer that you ultimately give your money to will be there in times of dispute to answer the phone and find a mutually agreeable resolution. Oakwood is one of those dealers. Have a look at our review. We're based in East Foley, just outside Maidstone. Thanks for watching.